County in southeastern North Carolina. Central Horry County in northeastern South Carolina until 3:45 p.m. At 3:16 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Heaven, or 9 miles east of Conway, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, expects damage to mobile homes, roofs, and vehicles. This dangerous storm will be near Hammond around 3:20 p.m.
Sorry
Lawrence
about this
around
camera,
3:25
guys.
p.m. Goretown around 3:30 p.m. Lawrence around 3:35 p.m.
Almost.
Dewell
Oh,
around 3:40
but I hit
p.m.
my guy.
Tabor City, Bethel, Molly, Nakina, Sydney, and Bund Hill around 3:45 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Lawrence Community Hospital. This includes South Carolina Highway 22 between mile markers 13 and 23. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a student building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying
Sorry, I had to
debris.
fix it. I'm sorry about this camera.